Hello, hello. I have to confess, I'm new to the broadcasting, and I wasted 28 minutes of footage because I didn't click on the go live button, and I was checking and thinking I was online, and I was uh, I was talking as if I was online, and now I got to talk about everything over again. So give me a minute to realize that. And let's see what this is all about. Let me see. Let's The countdown's already done. Let's see if this works here. I'll do the countdown again. Let's see if it. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Um, yeah, I'm just trying to get used to the technology. And so, yeah, like I said, I had to repeat myself now for the last 28 minutes. I was talking to myself. It wasn't even recording. It wasn't live. So um, the little thing on the screen says live show. But I guess the live on the top left corner wasn't there, and I didn't see a time ticking, so I didn't realize it was not live. I was talking for 28 minutes. But anyways, this show is about stocks and what I learned from trading school. Um, yeah, so my goal is to learn how to trade stocks so I can travel and be with my fiance um, from Ukraine. And, we might want to travel. We might not want to stay in one spot. So I need a way to have a way to make money online. And I'm not a influencer yet. I don't have an online presence. I barely started this streaming business. So I started trying to get into stocks about 4 years ago in 2019. I signed up to a few people online here and there, and I try to learn, from online. Um, so that was a handful. Everyone that I sign up with, they always have like an education section, to teach you about the stocks, not to teach you how to trade on your phone, but to teach you the theory of stocks. Um, but they were all different compared to my trading school, which is the online trading academy based out of Irvine, California. I learned that they talked about a different way stocks behave, and the first course I took in the trading academy is called core strategy, and that kind of taught me Stocks have a certain behavior for a certain reason. Um, but when I was learning from people online, they were talking about, stocks having certain patterns, and this is what it looks like, and this and that. So it's a totally different side of stocks, from learning online from people and going to the trading academy, uh, and learning in class. So it's different when you sit in class. You get more hours out of it because you're there for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week for 1 week. That's like 40 hours. But if you're learning online, you're like sitting at home, and you're it's just you and the computer. You have to learn it yourself. Nobody's standing in front and talking to you. You just trying to learn, watch videos, and try to read stuff. And after 10 minutes, you just stand up and walk away, do something else, and then later come back and do more watching videos. It's just different. It's not the same. You procrastinate when you try to learn online at home. So yeah, that's why I sign up for online training academy. But anyways, so out of those, I started 4 years ago, but learning from online kind of contributed to what I learned, what I know today. But it was accelerated when I learned course strategy at the online trading academy in Irvine, California. So it was accelerated, but at the same time, um, I didn't know how to learn options for the longest time until I took course strategy and learned about the behaviors of stocks, and also by tinkering with my phone app, I used Webull, and some accounts, they don't allow you to trade level 2 options, which you want to do. They start you out with level 1, which is um, a different uh, way of trading options, and I just didn't like that. So when I got a cash account, um, I got level 2 options, so I can trade options, with a small account. Uh, but anyways, options compared to stocks, you know, uh, in options you control one share, whether it's $1 or $400. With one share, you spend about a few cents to a few dollars. Um, so you don't need a big contract to trade options, because if you have $400 stock, you need $400 to buy that share, and it's just one share. But if it's a $400 stock and it costs $3 per share, and each contract is 100 shares, so it's going to cost you $300 to control 100 shares. So that's, if you do the math, that's more money in control when you profit. And you can make short-term profits with options, compared to stocks, which you need to buy the stocks. You need more of a big account to buy the stocks, and then wait for it to go up and down to make money. Or if it goes down, then you lose money. Um, but yeah, I got good at options, so I'm I'm at a point where I'm kind of making a little bit, but I'm also losing money, so I'm not green every day. Um, so I'm kind of going two steps forward and two steps back at the same time. So I'm trying to get to the point where I'm making two steps a day for 5 days in a row. So I get 10 steps in, and zero back. So that's the goal. So I can have a stream of income from trading stocks when when I'm traveling out of state or to another country. So another thing that I learned at the Trading Academy, which I learned last week um, in a class called Futures, and futures trade, energy, agricultural indexes, metals, currencies. So, what's the good thing about futures is that they give you 50x margin, so that's really good. So you don't really need a big account to have to to buy contracts. Um, but you just gotta watch out um, with the margin call um, if it goes against you. So the good thing is that it's traded 23 hours a day. So if I'm not trading stocks for the 6.5 hours each day, um, which not including the 4 hours pre-market and the 4 hours after market. If I'm not trading stocks, I can jump back into the futures and trade anytime I want. So I'm always having access to trading stocks or options and futures throughout the day. So that's my goal. My other goal would be to have an online presence and make money by selling my properties. My film studios. My film studio produce one movie and three books so far. So you know we need to get to a point where I can make money by selling my property and trading stocks, so I have a way to have a source of income when I travel. So that's what I'm trying to go for, um, because you know right now my main concern is to be comfortable, um, because I used to drive around, go out of state for engineering jobs, and they're always 6 months or 12 months, and every time I would need to move, and it gets to a point where it becomes so much of a burden, and the inconsistent income. So I decided, I'm gonna stay at one spot here in Southern California, near my mom, my family, and my relatives, um, and just have a way to support myself. Making money online with stocks, or with my website. But anyways, yeah, my website. Um, let me see I don't see the banners streaming. That's weird. It's supposed to show, but it's not. It's not streaming. It's not rolling. Show. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, here's my website. TomLuong.net. Yeah, check it out. Um, you'll see my movies and my books on there, and also I'm working with this cash. generating system. Go to that website, tomscashmachine.com. You want to check it out. Let's see. So what's this saying? Oh, that's nothing. That's an example. But yeah, tune in each trading day. So I'm gonna try to do this maybe every day. I guess if I'm going to make a habit of being green, I'm gonna try to be green, and then do the show or do the stream at noon each day. So the market opens at 6:30. So you know, hopefully I make some money within the first 2 hours, and then I can relax and um, do the stream at 12 each day. So that's my goal. I'm not gonna try to hold out for more because I end up losing, and that sucks. When you lose the profits, and then you lose what you put up. So that's a double whammy when you lose. But when you profit, you keep what you put up, but you also get more in return. So that's the nice thing about green days. But anyways, let me see, how long has this been? It's been about a good 20 minutes. So I kind of talk about my trading, the reasons why, and kind of showed you my website. Let me see. I thought this was gonna just be automatic and scroll, but it's not. You have to click on it. So yeah, tomlong.net. Check it out. I'll add more stuff next time and make it scroll so you don't have to wait for me to click it. And tomscashmachine.com. Yeah, check it out. I'm just plugging so I get more, spread the news, and the more the better. Anyways, our today's Monday, so look forward to doing more of these each noon. If you can't catch me at noon, then just watch the replays. It's there. It's posted. Tom was live, and just watch it at any time. But yeah, you want to watch all my videos? It's on my YouTube page, and the stream website is tomluongstreams.com. I think that's right. Yeah, it's tomluongstreams.com. I'm checking the. Yeah, I that's the website. Tomluongstreams with the s.com. Um, you can see all the streams on YouTube that I do, and I think maybe I should stream everything to this page. I'm not sure, and just title it and make a section title. If it's gonna be for Luong Films or Tom Luong Ministries. So I got to figure it out. Um, yeah. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow. This is Tom Luong signing out. Bye.